So you want to bridge and buy tokens on the Hype Base network, but you don't know how to. I'm going to show you exactly how to bridge your assets on the Base network, step by step. So first thing you want to do is you want to add the Base mainnet and head over to a website called Chainlist. Right? Once you're on Chainlist, then all you need to do is add the chain to MetaMask. So you can click the add to MetaMask section over here. Okay, this will add the chain to your MetaMask, and it will add exactly how you can add BSC chain over on your MetaMask. As you can see over here, okay, you can see my my degenerate wallet currently up a few $100s at the moment, and you can see here I am on the Base network. Okay, the next thing, after you've added the Base network, you need to go ahead and bridge your tokens. To bridge your tokens, copy this address here and simply, believe it or not, right, send Ethereum to this wallet address. Once you send it to this wallet address, it will take about 10 minutes, and then your Ethereum will show up in your wallet. Here you go, on the Base network. Okay, you'll be able to see it if I go back to the one I did today. Actually, it won't be on this side. It will actually be, it will be on my Ethereum chain. You'll see it right here. Okay, if I go to activity, contract, I did the exact same transaction. You guys can see it. And once I sent it, it took about 10 minutes, and then my tokens were on the Base network. Simple as that, right? If you want to then go ahead and buy tokens, I recommend checking out the DEX Screener website, hopping over to there, and there you'll be able to see all of the tokens you can buy. You go to DEX Screener, scroll down over to Base, if you click Base, and you can see all of the tokens and their gains. This reminds me a lot like the BSC craze with Binance, and if you guys know, the volume went from where? Binance chain came from the exchange, went over onto the chain, and all the meme coins started to fly. You've seen tons of staking, yield farming plays. Now what we're seeing is the money is going to move from Coinbase, especially if you're early, if you're watching this on the same day. Money is going to move from Coinbase, and it's going to come straight over to the Base chain. So guys, you now know how to buy tokens on the Base network, and if you want to stay up to date with all of the latest trends, I made about $1,000 today already from $100. If you want to be able to do the exact same, subscribe to my channel and you'll see all the coins I'm buying, and you'll also learn exactly how to make more money online for free to invest the profits like I do. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Warrior.